Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hello. Good morning. And you. I have to hold this because it's too top heavy. It is not your clip, Ray. It's the phone. I got a new phone and it's top heavy. The other phone worked great in here. So that's an Apple thing, not a you thing. I don't want you feeling bad. You did a really nice thing for me, so don't feel bad. Got my #1 Junkin Buddy with me.
Hi.
She had to go get her well child checkup and a shot for HPV. So now she's all shotted up. We're gonna go where?
Thrift store.
That's right. Maybe we'll find another back to school outfit she really, really likes, but I know I'll find something I really, really like. A milk glass dish, but it might, is that craft? Yeah.
No furniture.
I think I need furniture though, but look. That's nice stuff. Just looking for a book now. And then that radio was pretty awesome.
I don't know, but you think a radio is awesome.
It's like from the 1920s, 30s. It's pretty awesome. Oh, somebody did not love this. That veneer is trashed.
It's expensive.
$85.
No. Oh, no returns.
Just the veneer is really trashed. I mean, it's like it's broken. It's broken.
Yeah.
I don't want to take that on right now. I don't have time. Victoria's a beast. She done broke my clip.
I didn't break it.
I did. We found some treasures. We'll show you everything.
We found a lot.
We'll show you everything when we get home. Victoria got these leggings and this little Wookiee jacket from the University of Minnesota. You're cute though.
I like it.
And then she decided to get this Guess jean skirt. So it's Guess jeans and it was $6, I think. It's cute. She thought it was cute. It's exactly what my sister would have worn. And then she found this for her dad or me, probably me. So rules for dating my daughter. #1, you can't touch her. Okay, so that concludes the fashion show. Now it's time for the vintage show. All right, so, well, this isn't vintage, but it's gonna be really cute on that buffet for your Halloween-y black. I have another, remember I picked up another black one that's beaded. This has room for gems and I have some of those, what are they? Like the golden ones that I had. So I'm gonna put the gold ones on here and that's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be beautiful for Halloween. Totally a Halloween-y thing. Okay, and then I got some movies because again, I'm still catching up on my movie watching. This one came out, I didn't have a kid when this came out, I don't think, but I didn't get to watch it. And then, you know, life happened. So I still haven't seen the 300 and I picked it up for $2 so that I could watch it. I looked for it. It wasn't streaming that I found. I think Amazon said I could rent it, but it was more than $2 to rent it. So remember I picked up Transformers last time. So this is Transformers 2. Again, it's just one of those movies that I always seem to have. I can do stuff while it's on. Like I can price and pack while it's in the background just making noise and I don't have to look at it. I love movies like that that are so, you know, I can look at it when I want to because Josh Duhamel's on the screen. So I can look at it and go, Josh Duhamel's on, and then go back to work because everyone else is on. And then last is the vintage stuff that I was so excited to find. Okay, I have this guy. He's on my Etsy site already. Actually, I have 2 of them. And I think they have the red eyes and amber eyes. This has the green eyes. And then it had a cat friend. So I got the cat. I have not seen the cat in a really long time. So I picked up the cat, and she's got the little gold eyes as well. So those are going to be heading to Junk Bonanza. Somebody wrote stuff on it. Grandma Esther. These were Grandma Esther's, and I'm really mad at whoever got rid of Grandma Esther's cat. I'll love you. Maybe I'll find a new Esther for you. I'll find a new home for you, I promise. You'll go to Junk Bonanza, somebody's gonna love you, and they won't care a whit about Grandma Esther's family who didn't love you. Anyway, I have a couple of these, no lie. They weren't shakers. Why did I have two? No, I think I have blue. Blue and red eyes? I don't know, but I know I have two other ones of these, and they're downstairs. I'm contemplating taking all my Etsy stuff with me to Junk Bonanza. Because I have to port all that stuff over to my new site. I'm contemplating just packing it up, seeing what I can get rid of, and start again. Oh, anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin shirts, don't forget to click the links below and grab yours. And if you want to buy me a coffee, you're more than welcome to do that as well. It's sort of like Patreon without the monthly commitment. And if you want to send me a thrift flip challenge, which I haven't got to, you guys, I'm so sorry. I know that you sent me these things and you're waiting, but I will put the P.O. box up here. It's also in the description below. Yeah, if you want to send me something, it's going to take me a while to get to it. Probably not till after Junk Bonanza. You guys know I am so sorry that it's taken me so long. I might be able to get one or two, but there were multiple things in both of those other boxes, and the first box that I opened, there's still another piece to that. So I'm going to have to space them out a little bit. I hope you guys aren't mad at me about it, because it's just going to take me a while. Junk Bonanza is overwhelming my life right now. It's like, that's all I can focus on. Yesterday was nice to get a break painting, and I'm probably going to go in there and finish painting the pumpkin that I started yesterday, but you guys won't see that part. Next time you'll see it'll be finished, hopefully. And thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.